COVID-19 can cause serious breathing troubles and a dip in oxygen levels, resulting in adverse outcomes. Proning has been suggested as a clinically verified yet simple technique for providing instant relief to such patients. Timely proning and good ventilation can save many lives. What is proning? Proning is the process of turning a patient with precise, safe motions from their back onto their abdomen or stomach. It is extremely beneficial for COVID-19 patients with compromised breathing comfort, especially during home isolation. Who should practice proning? Any COVID-19 positive patient who is having difficulty in breathing may practice proning. If a patient's oxygen level or SpO2 goes below 94, proning becomes a necessary intervention. It can be practiced by COVID-19 positive patients who are under home isolation as well as those in hospital care. Proning can be done easily by the patients themselves, but in case of hospitalized patients or in patients on oxygen support, assistance is suggested. Steps for proning. Find a suitable flat surface like bed, couch or floor with a good airflow. Organize 4 to 5 pillows on the surface. One pillow should be below the patient's neck, 2 to 3 pillows under the chest till the upper thigh, and one pillow under the area from your knee till your feet. Now, the patient should lie face down on top of the pillows for at least 30 minutes to 2 hours. Then it is time to change the position. The patient can lie sideways facing the right for a minimum 30 minutes. The third position is when the patient sits up, leaning back with the support of pillows for the same amount of time. The last position is to lie sideways facing the left. Finally, back to position 1, which is lying on the belly. Do's and don'ts for proning. Multiple cycles of proning can be done for up to 16 hours a day. Proning should be done for a period easily tolerable by the patient. The pillows can be adjusted a little for altering pressure areas and for comfort. Keep a track of any pressure sores or injuries. Check body temperature and oxygen levels regularly, even during proning. Avoid proning for an hour after the meals. Avoid proning for those who are pregnant, have major cardiac or heart conditions, have unstable spine, femur or pelvic fractures, or have deep venous thrombosis. If the breathing comfort or oxygen level does not improve with proning during home isolation, contact the nearest healthcare facility immediately. Stay safe, take precautions, do proning regularly and seek help when needed. For more information, refer to the guidelines on proning by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India.